Hey yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johnny's Empire. Yo, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can use your phone when it's in flight mode without using any application or any software. Yeah, this is gonna be so important in battery optimization. Yeah, let's begin. You just need to open at your phone call icon. That phone call icon, you open it there, you tap there, and you are going to enter these codes: star hash 4636 hash star. Then it will display such information. For our sake, we select that phone information. Select option number 1, phone information. Here you turn on your airplane mode or flight mode. Then afterwards, as you see, the mobile radio power will automatically go off. For you, what you have to do is to turn it on, turn it back. That mobile radio power, turn it on again. So that's it. As you see, data service is connected, even voice service is in service. Yeah, there you can receive calls,